When installing the Norton 5800 low-energy door operator in a push application, it's important to load the arm for proper operation. Note that the pinion connection spins freely in the arm and doesn't lock into place until these 3 screws are tightened. First, place the arm onto the triangular pinion shaft and push the joint of the arm all the way against the door. Keep the arm in this position and gradually tighten the 3 screws. It's best to tighten each screw a little at a time, much like you would tighten the lugs on a car tire. Once the screws are tight, close the door. Next, pull the arm away from the door to a distance of about a ½ inch. This puts tension or load on the spring, which ensures the door will close completely. Maintain at least a ¼ inch gap between the arm and the door as you fasten the end of the arm to the top bracket. Tighten the screw and the installation is complete.